What's up, guys, and welcome to Chase's Workshop. This video is going to be, I'm just going to kind of go over some updates in the shop, some things that's been going on. I guess everybody's wondering how the quarantine's going, and it's pretty good. I have really not much has changed other than not being able to go anywhere. I still go to work every third day. If you don't know, I work at the fire department, so they're not going to shut the fire department down. Or if they do, I know things are probably a lot worse than they seem. Anyway, so that's going pretty good, and if there is one group of people that I would like to thank the most right now, and that's teachers. If anybody needs a break and needs to go home and not do anything for a while, it's teachers. And I know a lot of them are doing stuff at home too, trying to keep their kids updated on things that are changing at school.
Sure we are.
But anyways, I've got 2 kids at home, and I've been trying to be the teacher for, and I'm just hoping that when they go back to school next year that they at least halfway know what's going on.
You are the worst teacher this school has ever had.
Thanks to all you guys, teachers, truck drivers, nurses, and all those guys. I really appreciate it. And without y'all, we really would not be the country that we are. All right, so the first thing I want to talk about is an email that I received maybe a week or so ago from a lady wanting to buy a B-bender kit for her son. Now, her son's 16 years old. He's building his first guitar, and she said that I've helped influence him on building his first guitar, and he's wanting to install a B-bender into it. And according to her, she said that I'm a celebrity in their household, so that kind of makes me feel good, I guess, and really interesting to me that it makes me really feel good that I'm helping influence a younger person in doing the things I like to do as well. But anyway, his name is Daniel. He's got a band right here called the Valley Boys. You can check them out right here. If you got a Facebook page, go check them out. I'll put a link in the description where you can go to their Facebook page and where you can go say hi to them or whatever you want to and listen to their stuff. But anyways, Daniel, I appreciate you, man, and I'm glad you enjoy my stuff. And these are actually your parts right here. I worked on them day before yesterday. I worked at the fire department yesterday. Today is Wednesday, May the 6th. So hopefully I can get them to you by this weekend. And if not, hopefully the first of next week. And just know too, if you need anything, Daniel, just send me an email or get your honor, send me an email, however you want to do it. If you need any help with anything or if there's any parts you need that you need, just let me know, buddy. Really appreciate you. Okay, one of the things I've been talking about doing, and I've had a lot of people that have actually bought the B-benders that said, hey, why don't you make a video installing a B-bender? Sounds like a great idea. I don't know why I haven't never done that. Now, if you don't know, I do have a website called cwkshop.com. I'll put it here. You can go check it out. I'll put it in the description too. But I've got a PDF ebook there that you can go in, and it kind of walks you through the steps of how to install one if you don't know that, or if you don't know that it's there or not. But I also too think that a lot of people will probably get a lot more information out of me just doing a video for them. So that's probably what I'm going to do. I don't know. I haven't decided. I might just buy a Squier Telecaster or something like that, something cheap that I can get, put a bender into it, and I don't know, maybe sell it and make a little money for the shop too as well. So yeah, be looking for that. I think it'd be a good series of videos, and I think it'll help a lot of people that are curious about installing their own beat bender. Now, I know a lot of people might not have the abilities to install a beat bender kit, and if you don't, find someone in your area that does. I know a lot of people have bought from me that actually sent it to a person that's in their area and they installed it for them. So hopefully that'll be something I'll be doing in the near future, is getting the beat bender video going to where you guys can watch it. And one of my most favorite things about this whole ordeal of, selling beat benders and doing the YouTube channel and doing the things like that is meeting people from all over the world. I've met people from England, Sweden, Japan, Philippines, Germany, trying to think of everywhere, Amsterdam, France, Canada, all over the U.S. And I've shipped bender kits all over the place too. I've shipped to Japan. I've shipped a lot of them around. And so to me, that's probably the most important thing to me of doing all this is just meeting you guys. And I'm just like Daniel. I had no idea until his mom told me that he enjoys my stuff, that somebody actually enjoyed watching my videos. So it makes me feel good. And like I said, I really like to meet all you guys. Back to the B-benders. I've got a lot of people here that have sent me pictures of their B-benders, and I would like to share them now. The first one is Drew Middlebrook. Here's a picture of his guitar with his B-bender in it that he bought from me and installed himself. He did a really good job. I like the way, I like the distressed look of the Telecasters like that, where they're beat up, and I like it. I don't know what it is about it. Thank you, Drew. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope everything's going good with it. This next one right here is from Jason Dotson. He installed this B-bender in his own guitar too, and as you can tell, he did an outstanding job on it. I really like the glitter color like that on the Telecasters. I think it looks really good. I really like the way that looks. But thank you, Jason, and I'm glad you're enjoying it. If you want to see these pictures too, you can get on my website, cwkshop.com, and you can find these pictures as well. One that I do want to talk about is Simon Larson. I don't think I put his pictures. I don't think I've shared them yet. They are on my website though. If you haven't seen them, I'm gonna put them here where you can see his. But this is the one he did. He said that he actually sent his guitar to a luthier in his area, and he installed it for him. So that's what I was talking about before, about if you can't install one, find someone in your area that can. I would like to be able to one day be able to bring people's guitars in and do them myself, but my time right now is very limited, so I don't know if I have the time to do that, and I would like to eventually, but right now it's not the time. But yeah, so his guitar, very pretty, did a very great job on it. And he actually, there's a video clip too I'll put here where you can check it out where he plays this guy. So thank you, Simon. I'm hoping everything's good in Sweden, and I hope all this coronavirus mess is fizzling out. The next thing I want to talk about is a company that has asked.
That's a total weird word, isn't it?
Asked me. This sounds weird. I can't say that word for some reason right now. To be an affiliate for them. The name of the company is Nebula Belgium. If you go to their website, check it out. I'll put a link in the description where you can go look at it. You go there, you can see they sell basically any parts, but the main thing that they're trying to gear toward is selling humbucker kits to where you can buy a humbucker kit and build it yourself. And they're just trying to streamline the process of building your own pickups. Now, their pickups that they have 6 different styles of humbuckers right now. The first one is the Poseidon, and I hope I'm saying that right because I'm horrible with Greek mythology.
Yes, you are.
The Philia, the Apollo. I know I'm saying that right because I've heard that word for a long time. The Medusa, the Selene, and the Zeus. Now, the one I ordered is the Medusa. And if you look at it, all the parts are really high quality. They're not just cheap parts. And that was one thing when I talked to the owner of the company that he was striving for, was getting high quality, very, very good quality parts. So I'm hopefully in the next video or the next, I'm going to build this Medusa pickup, and we're going to put it into the Les Paul, and we're going to get some sounds out of it and see what it sounds like. But the thing they've asked me to do too, like I said, they want me to fill it for them. If you go down to my description right now, you'll see a link to their website. Now that link is an affiliate link, and anytime you click on that, it's going to give you a discount. They've also given me a code that I can give you guys where you can receive a discount as well. Now, one thing I know a lot of you guys, that if you're watching my channel and you're wanting to build your own pickups or you're wanting to do things like that, is the pickup winder. If you need any help with that, or if you don't know that I have the pickup winder, I'll put a link to it here where you can go check it out. But the main thing that they're wanting me to do for you guys is to just show you how easy it is to build your own pickups, to actually start building your own pickups. Now, the reason I said about the pickup winder is because you can get in that thing really cheap. And it's not the greatest pickup winder in the world, but it'll get you started. It'll get you to the point to where you can say, hey, I like doing this type of stuff. And then you can upgrade to the 2.0, or you can buy one of the really expensive ones that you can find on the internet. The one thing I do want to mention about them is that they are in Belgium. So if you're in the States, it might take a little longer for your parts to get here. They are going to do some deals where they work out shipping, because I know I ship B-bender kits all over the world, and it's a lot more expensive to ship something internationally. They might do a thing where if you get over a certain amount of money, this free shipping or something like that. You just have to keep updating on their website. They're a brand new company. Like I said, they're working on the kinks out. And I like helping out new companies and like helping out smaller companies, people that are like me, trying to make, you know, a good living doing the things that they like to do. So anyways, like I said, give them a visit, give them a shout out, whatever, and tell them I sent you. The last thing I want to talk about is I actually ordered a new amp, and it's actually a practice amp is what they call it. But I don't know if you guys have seen one or not, but they're called the Spark Positive Grid amp. Now, I've got Pro Tools. I've had it for, I don't know, 15 years now, and it's outdated as crazy, but it's very outdated. But it's actually Pro Tools Empowered 8. I've had it forever. But this amp, I bought a plug-in for Pro Tools from Positive Grid, and I was absolutely blown away by the sound of how you could get any kind of sound you want, anything. And so I decided I was going to buy that. I ended up buying the plug-in, but it did not work with my Pro Tools because my Pro Tools is so old. And plus, I'm still running a Windows 7 computer back here, so you know, I got some updates coming, hopefully in the near future. But anyways, since I couldn't get that to work, I decided, heck, for a little bit more money, I can buy that amp, and then you can use your phone to run the amp, and you can get any sound that you want out of it. So I ordered one. The thing ain't gonna be here till like mid-June, is what they said on the. If you go to their website, I'll put a link down in the description when you go to their website. But if you go to their website, it's like they're back ordered for a couple months. It's kind of a new product too, so they're having to build what's coming in. So I understand that, but I'm so excited about getting this thing. I'm hoping to be able to get it and make some intro music and maybe do some videos of picking around with different things, some music for my channel, and I might even try it for doing the when we do a pickup, use it for that, to where I can get you a very clean, very solid sound to your ears, and not having to go through my amp through a mic into this. And I just feel like sometimes I just lose a lot of that sound once it comes out to you guys. So yeah, that's my ideas. And like I said, if it gets to the point to where it doesn't sound right, I'm gonna just go back to the way I've been doing it. But I think it would be a good idea to maybe try and just see how this thing works. Now, the other cool thing about this amp is that it actually can be used as an audio interface for your computer. If you know what an audio interface is, it's basically where you can plug in XLR cable into a little thing. I'll put a picture of mine right here. I've got a M Audio Fast Track Ultra 8R. Like I said, I've had that thing for 15 years. But you can plug in anything into it, and you can basically get your mics to play into your DAW system. But what's cool about that amp is it actually is one of those to where you can just plug it into your computer and you have a audio interface for your guitar. Also, too, what's neat about it is that it comes with PreSonus Studio One. Now, I don't know if I'm going to use it or not because I've been using Pro Tools for so long. I don't know if I could even think about getting around in a new DAW system. But if I do, I might try it out and just see how it does, if it'll work on my computer. Like I said, I've got a Windows 7 computer, and pretty much everything that you buy new now doesn't work on a Windows 7, or if it does, it's limited. So that's you know what I'm saying. But anyways, I'm really excited about getting that thing. I think it'll be really cool. Maybe I can make some music for you guys and for my videos and stuff like that. I think it'll be something pretty interesting. So guys, that's about it. That's all I've really got going on in the shop. Like I said, I'm still working. I'm still trying to keep up with people ordering B-benders and things like that. And hopefully I'll have another pickup build video coming up in the very near future for you guys. I want to kind of stay in that genre of things or that niche of things of building pickups and pickup winders, B-benders, tone for guitars, amps, stuff like that, because I know a lot of you guys that are subscribed to my channel, that's the reason you're here for my B-benders and my pickup winder and my building pickups and stuff like that. So that's what I'm going to do. Guys, if you have any questions or comments about any of these things, if you have any suggestions about any videos that you want me to do, anything that I've done, any questions about that, leave them below. Send me an email, however you want to do it. You know how to get in touch with me. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give me a like. If you liked it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.